Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hoffman Engineering. Today I want to unbox this ACMER P2 33-watt laser engraver, and let you know about an opportunity to win one of these machines and a variety of cash prizes and other laser engravers. ACMER is hosting their Engrave Your Love with ACMER DIY competition in September, and giving away over $20,000 in prizes. This competition encourages you to use cutting and engraving techniques to express the theme of Engrave Your Love with ACMER. You don't need a laser cutter to participate. First place wins $3,000 in an ACMER P2 33-watt laser, which is the laser that I've been unboxing here. Two people will win the second prize, $500 in the P2 20-watt laser. Third prize will have 3 people win $200 and a P1 20-watt laser. Fourth prize has 4 people win $100 and a P2 10-watt laser. Fifth prize is 5 winners of $50 and a P1 10-watt laser. And 6 other participants will each receive an ACMER 10-watt laser engraver. This is over $20,000 worth of prizes for 21 winners, and everyone who participates will receive a $50 coupon for a P2 33-watt laser that I've just unboxed. Competition runs from September 1st to the 14th, with results announced between the 15th and the 17th. To join and for more information, visit the ACMER Facebook group, which I've linked in the description. As you can see, the P2 33-watt laser engraver was an extremely quick unboxing, because everything is pre-assembled. I just opened the box, took out the accessories and material packages, and the laser just lifts out. The only assembly was sliding in the laser module and plugging it in. Extremely easy. The P2 33-watt laser comes with an air assist compressor and a nice amount of sample materials. I can't wait to put this machine through its paces. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for my upcoming full review of this P2 33-watt laser engraver. But I wanted to make this quick video to share the Engrave Your Love with ACMER competition opportunity. I'm not affiliated with this competition, but I do plan on entering it myself while I test out this machine. So good luck everyone, and I hope to see your amazing creations soon.